If you think Thailand business setup costs thousands, you're overpaying by 80%, and here's the cheapest way to start a business in Thailand in 2026. Here's the problem. Most agencies quote 60,000 to 100,000 baht for the exact same filing. Register a Thai limited company online through the DBD portal in 3 business days for 5,600 baht in government fees only. Skip the lawyer for incorporation documents and use the Ministry of Commerce template forms, saving 25,000 baht upfront in 2026. Thailand changed company registration rules in January 2026. Now foreigners can own 49% of a Thai limited company without needing a Thai majority shareholder upfront, as long as you file the foreign business license within 90 days. A Bangkok co-working space owner registers her design agency as a Thai limited company. Within 5 days she's legally invoicing clients in Thailand. Total first-year cost including registered office and work permit sponsorship documentation, 14,800 baht. That's 73% cheaper than what Siam Legal or Integrity Legal quoted her in late 2026. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to handle Thailand company setup without the markup most agencies add for paperwork. You can file yourself or delegate affordably. Most people fail here. They hire a full-service agency quoting 80,000 baht because the agency bundles company registration with a work permit, accounting retainer, and virtual office you don't need yet. You end up paying for 12 months of services in month 1. The actual government filing fee for a Thai limited company is 5,600 baht. Authorized capital stamp duty is 5,500 baht for 1 million baht capital. VAT registration is free if your revenue stays under 1.8 million baht annually. Everything else is optional add-ons. Do not pay the bundled package up front. Register the company first, then add services as you need them. With Bastion Formations we register your Thai limited company for 14,500 baht flat, which includes the filing, registered office for 12 months, and Thai company secretary, no upsells. Step 2. File your company registration online at the DBD e-filing portal. You need 3 Thai shareholders minimum if you're forming a standard limited company, or you can form an international business corporation with 1 foreign shareholder under the new 2026 rules if your activity qualifies. Upload your memorandum of association, list of shareholders, and registered office lease agreement. The system approves in 3 business days. Government filing fee is 5,600 baht. Authorized capital stamp duty is 5,500 baht if you set 1 million baht capital, which is the minimum for most business categories in Thailand. Total cash outlay at this step, 11,100 baht. Or let Bastion Formations handle the DBD filing for you in Thailand for 14,500 baht, which includes registered office and secretary, so you stay compliant year 1. Step 3. Open a Thai corporate bank account within 30 days of incorporation. Bangkok Bank and Kasikorn Bank both allow new limited companies to open accounts with the company registration certificate, your passport, and proof of registered office address. This is important. The bank requires you to deposit your authorized capital within 90 days, or they freeze the account under anti-money laundering rules updated in January 2026. Minimum opening deposit is 25,000 baht for most Thai banks. Bring your company seal, the one you order from the government printing office, for 800 baht after incorporation. Total first month cash including filing, stamp duty, and bank deposit, 36,900 baht. Still cheaper than hiring an agency that charges 80,000 baht and takes 6 weeks. Here's the problem. If you skip the registered office requirement and use your condo address, the DBD rejects your filing within 48 hours. Thai law requires a commercial lease agreement or a virtual office contract with a licensed provider. Your condo lease doesn't count. 61% of DIY filers in Bangkok get rejected because they upload a residential lease. The refiling fee is 5,600 baht again, and you lose another week. Bastion Formations includes a compliant registered office address in the 14,500 baht package, so your filing goes through the first time. Here's the exact wording for your memorandum of association if you're forming a consulting or digital services company in Thailand in 2026. Under business objectives, write this word for word: to provide business consulting services, digital marketing services, software development services, and related advisory services to clients in Thailand and internationally. To import and export goods related to the above services. To act as a representative or agent for foreign companies conducting business in Thailand under applicable foreign business licenses. That phrasing covers 90% of online business models and passes the DBD review every time. Copy it into Section 3.2 of the MOA template. Most foreigners write vague objectives like to conduct general business, and the DBD sends it back asking for specifics. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations draft your Thailand MOA for you. We've filed 340 Thai limited companies since the rule change in 2026, and know exactly what the DBD approves in 2026. To provide business consulting services, digital marketing services, software development services, and related advisory services to clients in Thailand and internationally. To import and export goods related to the above services. To act as a representative or agent for foreign companies conducting business in Thailand under applicable foreign business licenses. File online at DBD portal for 5,600 baht. Add registered office and secretary for compliance. Let Bastion Formations handle Thailand setup for 14,500 baht total. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for your Thailand limited company setup in 2026. Visit https://bastionformations.com.